Hi guys, welcome again. For today, I decided to go biking. I'll show you guys when I get there. It looks very nice. So we're finally here. Let's see. There's a little bike park for families, for adventurers, and anyone else who wants to do anything. So guys, just begun. Look at this place. Just change their surroundings first. It's an enduro trail, but what I'll do today is, seeing that I'm not familiar with this place and I need my bike checked up, I'll do the normal simple routes for now. Then after that, maybe next time when I come through here, I'll do the more tricky ones with stunts and everything. Oh, I haven't done this in a long time. Woo! 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 Oh, this is good. Literally. It's like downhill, man. No technique. I'll do another one with techniques. Problem is going up from here because I'm going down. So that would be hell going back up. So this is like some rocky part. Just have to be careful I don't fall. To the rocky part, we get to this part, which is not bad. Hop. That was a steep turn. Okay. Okay, we're descending still. The camera is not doing this thing justice. Oh, this is epic now. By the way, there are a few translations I need to do. I just need to find a proper spot where I can actually do the translations. So when I get to anywhere where there's a metal pole, then I can do it, because today I'm using my what do you call this? My Insta60 Go 2, which is an action camera. So that's what I'm using for this. So when you get somewhere where there's a pillar or a metallic pole, I'll stop and do. I think I have one translation that I mixed a few weeks ago, so I'm gonna do that. Woo! Oh, this is awesome. That's beautiful. Finally reached the end of the trail. I didn't find a specific place to actually do my recording, so what I'll do is, I think I'm going to do it by the car. Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Tree, the fun way with Tree Junior Pro. My name is Chris. As I said, I couldn't find a place to actually do this. I'm doing it by the car. Hope you guys don't mind. So what I want to do today is there's one person called Balkan that I think I missed his translations. I'm not sure. So what happened is I usually go back to all my past videos, check all the comments, and I think I missed this one, right? So Balkan wanted a few things. I think he wanted 7 or 8 things. So Balkan, sorry again if this is a bit too late, but these are the things that Balkan wanted to know. The very first thing that he wanted to know was, I'm looking for a house in Kasoa. Again, I'm looking for a house in Kasoa. Now that in Tree can be said as, Merehwehwɛ Efie wɔ Kasoa. Again, Merehwehwɛ Efie wɔ Kasoa. One last time, Merehwehwɛ Efie wɔ Kasoa. Or you can say, Mehwehwɛ Efie wɔ Kasoa. Again, Mehwehwɛ Efie wɔ Kasoa. The next thing that he wanted to know was, how much can I rent a house there? Again, how much can I rent a house there? Now that in Tree can be said as, ɛhɔ fie hann boɔ yɛ sɛn. Again, ɛhɔ fie hann boɔ yɛ sɛn. One last time, ɛhɔ fie hann boɔ yɛ sɛn. If you say ɛhɔ fie, it's houses that side. Hein is rent. Boɔ is price. Yeseng is how much. The next thing that he wanted to know was, can I make money in Ghana? Again, can I make money in Ghana? Now that in Tree can be said as, Mɛtumi anya sika wɔ Ghana. Again, Mɛtumi anya sika wɔ Ghana. One last time, Mɛtumi anya sika wɔ Ghana. Literally translated, Mɛtumi anya sika wɔ Ghana is, can I make or get money in Ghana? Again, Mɛtumi anya sika wɔ Ghana. One last time, Mɛtumi anya sika wɔ Ghana. As I said, roughly translated, that means, can I get money in Ghana? Which in turn can mean, can I make money in Ghana? The next thing that he wanted to know was, house in Kasoa. Again, house in Kasoa. Now that in Tree can be said as, Efie wɔ Kasoa. Again, Efie wɔ Kasoa. One last time, Efie wɔ Kasoa. Slowly, Efie wɔ Kasoa. The next thing that he wanted to know was, where is the bus going? Again, where is the bus going? Now that in Tree can be said as, Ɛhyɛn no rekɔ he. Ɛhyɛn no rekɔ he. Now the next thing that he wanted to know was, that's the first time. Again, that's the first time. Now that in Tree can be said as, na ɛyɛ mmerɛ a adikan. Again, na ɛyɛ mmerɛ a adikan. Slower, na ɛyɛ mmerɛ a adikan. One last time, na ɛyɛ mmerɛ a adikan. The last thing that he wanted to know was, that is my first time. Again, that is my first time. Now that in Tree can be said as, na ɛyɛ mmerɛ edi kan. Again, na ɛyɛ mmerɛ edi kan. Slower, na ɛyɛ mmerɛ a edi kan. Very slow. Na ɛyɛ mmerɛ a edi kan. Again, na ɛyɛ mmerɛ a edi kan. Guys, that's it for this week's lesson. I just want to thank each and every one of you. And remember, if you want to learn Tree quicker, right, please go get the Tree Junior Pro app. With that and these lessons, you learn Tree quicker. And guys, remember, if you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button, subscribe button, and bell button for your future notifications. And remember, please tell anyone who wants to learn Tree or find out what Tree's about, come to this channel, and hopefully when they hear, they will enjoy it and become part of the family. Guys, lots of love from me, Kwesi. See you next week. Bye.